Okay, today we'll be opening up this Purolator Boss oil filter, number PBL14610, and this Bosch oil filter, number 3323. And I got this Purolator Boss oil filter at Advanced Auto Parts for $16.99. And I got this Bosch oil filter at Rock Auto for $3.42 plus shipping. But you may be able to find these cheaper somewhere else. If you don't count the shipping costs, this Purolator Boss oil filter is almost 5 times the cost of this Bosch oil filter. Let's see why there's such a big price difference. So let's get started.
This is a matter of, you gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight, get your angle here, filtration, and here.
Okay, let's look at the Purolator Boss and let's look at the box. It's rated for 20,000 miles. Look over here, it says 99% plus, and that's at 25 microns. Filter media, 100% synthetic. If we look over here, it'll say Purocell gasket, ethylene acrylic construction for extended life. All right, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Date code F02P17E1. This is a sticker. Right here it says Made in USA. This filter has 8 inlet holes, metal core with louvers, bypass valve down below, and about 4 grooves there for threads. And this is supposed to be their Purocell gasket. Okay, let's look at the Bosch oil filter. In the Bosch oil filter, 99%. And that's at 20 microns. And that's pretty much about it on this box for information. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. Date code 27420. Also sticker. Yeah, this filter is made in Mexico. And the Bosch also has 8 inlet holes, silicone drain back valve, metal core with louvers, bypass valve down below, and I think that's about 3 grooves there. Nitro rubber gasket, which looks a little bit thicker than the Purolator Boss. Both filters look about the same size. Almost identical base plates. Okay, let's open these filters up and see what they look like inside. Be right back. Okay, so here they are cut open. Let's get their weights. Purolator weighs 263.4 grams. The Bosch weighs 205.3 grams. And we'll look at their gaskets. Bosch on the right, Purolator on the left. You can see the Bosch is thicker. The Purolator has definitely got a different feel to it. This ethylene acrylic versus nitro rubber on the right. But they both look like good gaskets to me. Okay, and the base plates. The Bosch weighs 78.5 grams. Purolator weighs 122.8 grams. Quite a bit heavier. Let's see why here. It's got more threads. Purolator on the left. And it's a thicker base plate. Look at how thick it is there. See in the holes? You know, compared to the Bosch. Get that to focus. Yeah, right there. Yeah, so Purolator is definitely a more heavy duty base plate. Okay, both filters got silicone drain back valves. That's nice. They go over these holes nicely. Okay, now the filter elements. Let's get the Bosch. Bosch weighs 68 grams even. The Purolator weighs 63 grams even. Wow. Okay, let's take a look at this Purolator. It's got a metal crimp seam. I counted 42 pleats, nicely spaced, metal end caps, bypass valve right here. A little bit of a gap there though. And this is 100% synthetic media with a micron rating of 99% at 25 microns. And this media is backed with it's called a polymer mesh backing. Okay, let's look at the Bosch. Bosch has a glued seam right here, and they got kind of sloppy with the glue right there. And the pleating is kind of all over the place on this filter. Spacing. It's got a lot of space here, then it gets tight here. Big gap there. Yeah, this filter is a little sloppier, but metal end caps, bypass valve right there, which has a setting of 14 to 18 psi. And this is a cellulose filter media with a micron rating of 99% at 20 microns. And the pleats, this one has, the Bosch has 49 pleats. Okay, they both got stamped leaf springs. A little different design, but I'm not going to bother weighing them. And the Bosch weighs 45.3 grams. The Purolator weighs 63.4 grams. Let's get their measurements. I was getting 0.56, yeah, 0.57, 0.56 for the Purolator. Pretty thick can. And I was getting 0.47 for the Bosch. 0.48, yep. A little bit thinner. Let's get the widths. The Bosch is 2.18 inches wide. And the Purolator is 2.29 inches wide. Let's look at these guys up close. Let me cut these guys open here. Cut these filter elements open and stretch them out and see what they look like. Be right back. Okay, here they are both stretched out, and the Bosch oil filter is 43 inches long, and the Purolator oil filter is 37 inches long. Okay, and let's get the thickness on these guys. Do the Bosch first. Bosch is 0.66 millimeters thick. And the Purolator, I'm going to take two measurements first. 1.17 millimeters. And that's with the backing on it. See, but some of this backing sticks to it. I can't get it apart without, it's sticking to it. So it's kind of not really a fair measurement, but here it is without the backing. See, 0.40 millimeters. I can't take it apart without it's sticking to this polymer screen here. Polymer mesh, whatever you want to call it. But here they are up close. Now let's take a look at these guys under a microscope. So as you can see there, both of these filters look like they would do a good job filtering. I don't see any pinholes or very light spots or anything. So they look like they would both do a pretty good job at filtering. The Purolator states that it filters at 99% at 25 microns, and the Bosch states that it filters at 99% at 20 microns. And you get about 10 square inches of more filter media with the Bosch oil filter. The big difference between these two filters medias is this one's very tough. You can't tear this. This is really tough. I mean, you can tear, it does tear, but it's pretty hard. Let's look at the rest of the filter. The gaskets, I guess I give the gaskets probably to the Purolator because it's supposed to be made out of the ethylene acrylic. It's supposed to hold up the heat better than the nitro rubber. The little leaf springs here, stamp leaf springs, they're pretty much the same. Both have silicone drain back valves, so that's a tie. The base plate I got to give to the Purolator just because it's got an extra groove for the thread and it's a little heavier duty. The can also I would give it to the Purolator. It's a little bit thicker. And the metal cores here, they're pretty much the same. You can see the light through the louvers there. They both let in. They're both opened up good, these louvers, so just that the Bosch is nice and shiny. Different bypass valves though, so. But I give these a tie. So what do you guys think about these filters? Do you think this Purolator is worth the extra cost? I think both filters are pretty good. So with that being said, I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. The Purolator filter media weighs 16.5 grams. The Bosch filter media weighs 10.9 grams.